In this video, we're going to take a look at the 2019 Junior Cycle Business Studies wage slip calculation. And it came up in one of the long questions, question 18, so it was a part of a question. So part A was obviously something about Mary working in Ryanair somewhere. So Mary's position with Ryanair earns her a monthly wage of €7,000 and she earned overtime of €600 in May. She pays the PAYE at the rate of 40% and has a monthly tax credit of €275. She pays PRSI at 4% and USC at 5.5%. Using the details above, complete Mary's payslip for the 31st of the 5th, 2019. Okay. So let's get stuck into it. So the PAYE working, so she gets paid $760 in the month. And she has to pay a PAYE of 40% of that. However, she's got a tax credit of $275, which we love because it reduces the amount of tax that she has to pay. So we'll calculate her PAYE here. So 7,600 multiplied by 40%, or put that into your calculator as 0.4 instead, and that will give you €3,040. However, she doesn't have to pay all of that. We minus 275 tax credit from that, and that works out that she has to pay €2,765 PAYE. Then we're going to do the PRSI. So the PRSI is at 4%. So 4% is going to be based on the 7,600. When you multiply that out into your calculator by 4% or multiply it by 0.04, you will get €304 PRSI, which is pay related social insurance that gets deducted from Mary's salary. Next then, we have USC, which is called Universal Social Charge, and that is at 5.5%. So again, we're going back to the €7,600 and we're multiplying that by 5.5%, or into your calculator 0.055, and then you'll get €418 USC that Mary has to pay. So we want to fire all that now into the pay slip. So you've got Mary Brennan there. You're told to do it on the 31st of the 5th. So you'll put that in there, 31st of the 5th, 2019. Her basic wage was 7,000. Her overtime was 600. Therefore, gross pay 7,600. Then her PAYE 2,765. PRSI is 304. USC 418. Total deductions then 3,487. So from Mary's 7,600, she gets 3,487 taken away. So what Mary is taking home is €4,113. So that is Mary's wage slip complete.